Top of the morning, afternoon, good evening, depending where you guys are. This is the daily rundown. We're going to take a look at the Euro USD, the Great Britain USD, which is the star of the day, and of course the Aussie because it's sitting right at technical support. Let's start with the Great Britain USD because this guy has been unstoppable since moving down and testing in the beginning of the week I guess on Friday the 163, the beginning of the resistance zone, which is between 163.30 and 162.50. We can see we've had a quick reversal from that point, and now the pair is, hey, where is it? Right at the top of the range at 166. A clear break of this level, and we could see this cross move off to the races. But what I would keep my eye on is to see if we get a nice reversal candle here, say on the 4 hour or so forth, looking for a push back down lower. The range has been our friend, and you can see that the pair has been drifting sideways in this for about 2 months between this price levels. So any push to the top would represent a rather large push. And you have to be careful in the pound because the pound does love the spike higher and then reverse, just basically wiping out trades on both sides. Take a look at the Euro USD. You can see that this pair, for me personally, very difficult to trade at the moment. I was trying to stack into the trade for a push down lower, and boom, once again it pops up higher. You can see that the cross has been it had been below an ascending trend line that had been containing the price action. But let's take a look at the weekly and the 3 hour chart. You can see just above there, you could around the 138.50, 139 level, there is an ascending trend line that has capped the price action for almost 3 years, and the pair is flirting with that level. So we will have to see what we get here. In the meantime, I will be looking to decide what direction I'm going to play the pair to see if we get a break of this 137 or this 135 level first. These levels are the short-term supply and resistance levels. So if we get a break to the top side, you can make a run from the 139. If we get a break to the bottom, then we could see finally a continued move lower. But at this moment, you can see things are anything but linear in the trading. And the Aussie can't really decide what it's doing. Oh, just one more thing with this Euro USD. You can see if we run a fib level from the bottom of this recent move to the tick there, that the pair did turn almost like clockwork on the 0.668 fib. And if we were going to look for an extension off that, let's just throw a one. You can see if we were looking for a clean extension off that, that would get us up to the 140.50 level, but it would also be a trendline break, so just keep that in mind. The Aussie USD, you can see that this pair has been interesting at best. My thesis on this is that first I was looking for a break of that 88.20 level. We did get a break, but we haven't really been consolidating around the 87.50 level ever since. You can see on this move down lower, the pair bounced almost like clockwork off the 50 fib. So the 50 fib. So if we do get a break of this 87.50, and I did say it about the 88.20, so we'll have to see. If we get any momentum to the downside, the target would be maybe the psychological 0.85 level or the 0.272 fib in this extension, which would be about the 83.80 level. So the price target will be between the 84 and the 85 level in that pair. That's it for now. If you want to join the Keen feed, you can, and you get an access to the Currency Watch where we go over all the trade setups, and you get insights in the stacker trades that I do in the Euro, pound, and the Swiss franc, and then the more short-term trading I focus in on the Great Britain odd. All right, everybody, good luck trading. You can check the blog out for results and so forth, and I will see you soon. Adios.